Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
First of all, I would like to say that it has been an honor to serve in the Congress Party. I have learned a lot from the party, but I feel that it is time for me to chart my own course. Therefore, I am tendering my resignation from the post of President of the Youth Congress and from the primary membership of the party because I am unhappy with the present functioning of the party. I have been unhappy with the functioning of the party for quite a while now. This is because there is a structural defect within the Congress Party. This had already been highlighted many times in the past, but there has been no attempt to rectify these defects. Instead, those who have pointed out these defects have only been vilified. The last straw was the appointment of the present PCC President, who has been functioning of his own whim without any regard to the rules and regulation of the Congress Party. I know that I am not alone in this sentiment. As is evident from the mass resignation from the party, even today, more than 500 youth congress from the Khasi Jaintia region have resigned. This is just the start. I must therefore seek out other avenues through which I can serve the people to the best of my abilities and part ways with the party that I, like many others, have given my heart and soul.